bill and get the money like curls. They just trying to get a nut like squirrels in his mad world.
So I've been wanting the Tamron 17 to 70mm lens for a while now. I think ever since I saw Potato Jet's review video last year on the Tamron, I knew it was the next lens I wanted for my Sony a6600. But because I'm broke, all I could do was daydream about the f2.8 and the ultra smooth portraits I could take of my non-existent girlfriend. But since then, I've decided to go plus ultra, and I picked up a few extra shifts at my local AutoZone, and I was able to save up enough guineas to finally afford this lens. So I'm happy to report to you all that I finally have it at my disposal. As far as the unboxing goes, it's a pretty simple experience. You're first greeted with the owner's manual that nobody ever reads, and that's pretty much it. The lens does come with a protective covering, and I appreciate that as a consumer. For the build quality on this lens, I'd say it's pretty good. It does still feel like plastic, which it is, but it doesn't necessarily feel cheap either, and it's still relatively lightweight. It also comes with a lens hood, but I feel like most lenses these days come with one, so I guess it's not that special. For a standard APS-C zoom lens, the focal length is pretty solid at 17mm at the widest and 70mm all the way zoomed in. You'll find the zoom ring at the top of the lens, followed by the focus ring just underneath it. The filter size on this lens is 67mm, and I'm excited to try on an ND filter for those long exposure shots. This lens also has VC, vibration compensation, which is basically in-body image stabilization, so it's great news for anyone who has a camera that doesn't already have IBIS. The dimensions are 4.7 by 2.94 inches, and it weighs 1.2 pounds, or about 544 grams. Now, if you're wondering why I'm taping up the lens and covering the labels, then you probably live in a nicer area. I actually got this idea from Casey Neistat. Basically, it's to deter thieves from trying to steal your camera. If they see your camera and can't tell what brand it is, then they might not want to risk taking it. But I guess at the end of the day, if someone wants to steal it, then they'll just do it. But I'd rather play it safe than sorry. Also, I think it just looks cool and mysterious, kind of like an anime character with a hidden power or backstory. Now it's time to say goodbye to the Sony 18-135 kit lens that I've had for like a year.
Bye, have a great time.
Because I'm probably never going to use it again. Alright, what's up gamers? So I installed the lens now. I think it's looking pretty good. I was just about to do some sample footage and sample shots here in my room, but since everyone online kept saying that this is the perfect run and gun lens and the perfect travel lens, I figured I should hit up the boys and go on a road trip or do some traveling. So I think that's the move. So I'll see you on the way there.
Picture of you holding my camera.
Yeah.
Say they're like, you don't like my
Look at me, keep your eyes open.
You look like a model. You look good.
It's so bright.
This lens works as a vlogging lens as well, I think. It's pretty wide at 17, and yeah, it's a really good travel lens, vlog lens. I'm kind of awkward at vlogging. I don't like vlogging, but it can work. It can be done. I'm holding it at the tip right now. I don't have a gimbal or anything, but not too shabby. Usually I'm behind the camera, so it feels good to be in front of the camera every once in a while. I don't know where this man is leading us, but we gotta follow him and trust him. He's a local. If you break your ankle, it's over. We're not leaving.
Hi brother, how you feeling out?
But why are you playing the slappers?
Really?
I don't know what
Because we
my
have 3
hat.
minutes and I'm just trolling.
It's my first time here. As a kid, we used to drive by, and I'd always tell my parents to stop, but they'd never stop. So it's nice to finally be here. So we're here at the Visual Arts Center in San Francisco. It's really nice. It's my very first time here. Palace of Fine Arts. That's what it's called. Very first time here. It's pretty nice. Not bad. What's up? Yeah, we gotta take a picture. But look how blue the sky is. Bro, look at that. Look at the sky on there.
I did the.
Look at this guy here. Shit's so bad, but it's all good. Homie said, let me take a flick of you.
Bro. Nah, but this is the real one though. Yeah, this one came out cool.
But yeah, it's really good for portraits too, especially with a 2.8.
Dang, bro.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
You go this way, I knew about the lighting.
Yeah, but the 2.8 really makes it clear. Alright. You're right. I don't know shit. Oh! Those are some nice chickens. It's a really nice area if you're ever in San Francisco, especially for photographers or, I mean, just anyone in general. I think could appreciate this place, right?
Where's that? I hope it's shrimp. That's why I got it. Like crunchy, like a crunchy shrimp wrap is what I'm interested in. But it's weird. It's just small.
That's some pretty cool art right there.
It's like fucking running into like a wall.
Just eat. I eat fast as fuck.
Imagine. So it just starts munching right now.
I don't know. I mean, a lot of people forget about me. I'm used to it. Yeah, but I never forget about them.
My mom to the trip to Jamaica. I thought I was gonna make it. I was so impatient. Stressed out, my head was
What did he say?
This is it. Mid.
I want to see the fishies.
What a jellyfish hat. Back in your day.
Oh!
Isn't it? Oh shit, that cricket? Hey?
Call him over.
Oh, wait. Tell me something.
He won't come.
Are you recording? Oh, wait.
Come here.
Come here, puppy.
Go, Brian. Go, Brian.
He's scratching.
No way, so like that.
He's scratching his head. Oh, the picture. I like $50. I want that one. Oh, yeah. They're very hard to take care of.
Kind of cool, but them motherfucking kids ain't running away.
Smack him.
Beat their ass. Watch this. Yellowfish? What's that?
You're too big, bro.
You on fours or what?
What do you say?
When do you guys want to throw?
Trying to post. I can think of that. Yeah, we'll make money like this.
I don't have any makeup on. 調子すぎて吐きそう。早く DVD 受け取っておい飛ばしよう。
Hi, so for a lens review video, I'm pretty sure this video was pretty unorthodox to say the least, but I figured I'd rather show you than tell you. And the main point I was trying to give across, or I guess the main point of this entire video, was to show that anytime you buy a lens after the lens you already had, which is for me was the 18 to 135 millimeter for the Sony. It came with my A6600 and it was fine. I had it for like a year and I enjoyed it, but I've had this Tamron lens for the last 3 days, I'd say, and by far it's been a lot better in terms of focusing, the range from 17 to 70. That f2.8 is really good for portraits, as you can probably tell from the portraits or the example photos I put on here. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.